We wanted to give you an outlook of how the future factories might look like. So we are talking here about technologies that are going to only gain traction in the next couple of years. This is going to reshape what happens in the factories. So all this data has to be managed properly. Then it's not only about having the data, collecting it, but also taking decisions based on the information that you understood. But I think that the key message that we want to give you and mention game field of the future, we believe that we are not talking here about building this future of factories from scratch. It doesn't mean that this is going to be a greenfield situation when you have to spend billions to create this kind of new factory. What we are talking here is something that you can start doing today with these small pieces, small puzzles that we just described, and you are essentially modifying your factory one step at a time. So you can imagine your production site equipped with some old robot arms or not having any robots at all, but then you are adding this kind of smart features, artificial intelligence-driven features on the component level, and your factory is becoming modernized by this. So that's why I think that the main message, and this is something that we always try to underline in our conversations, is that you can start small whenever you are ready, on the level that you are comfortable with, and scale up and change the factory one step at a time.